In this video, we're going to go ahead and look at how to access the homework. I also want to point out that at the very top you have a calendar if you're in the announcements page that shows you some things. For example, if you click on the little icons, it'll tell you when these sections are due, or if assignments are becoming available, and so forth. So, for example, here certain assignments have been updated, just to keep that in mind. I'm going to click on Course Map and then click on Week 2, where you start working on Chapter 1, and it says watch videos and do homework. I'm going to click here, and you'll see the sections for this chapter. I'll show you on 1.4 that the videos, before you do anything, the videos are clickable. You have to click on those, watch the videos first, and then the questions become clickable. Otherwise you can't access the questions, and it says that at the very top as well. So I'm going to go back to section 1.3 where I've already watched the videos. That way I can access the homework. So you can see a little check mark next to it that says I've already watched it. And again, if you click on it, it'll just show you the video. So objective A, and so forth. Then you submit, and from then on these become clickable and you can work on them. So I'll click on question 1, and it'll load up the problem. Then on a sheet of paper, if work needs to be shown, or if you need to do any work for yourself to keep for future, for example, to study for the quiz and such, you would do that. So in this problem, identify the base and the exponent. This chapter is a review chapter. We know the base is 6 and the exponent is 7. So I would click on base 6, exponent 7. Since you're pretty sure about this problem, you would click final check, and it says excellent, blah blah blah, you are done for that problem. And you see a little green check mark next to the problem. Now if I click on problem 2, it says write 2 cubed using symbols, and it gives you choices. Let's say I pick the wrong one. I pick that one, which is clearly 3 cubed, and I say final check. It says sorry, that's wrong, and this is the correct answer. And as you can see, I've been marked wrong for that one. But it's not a big deal, because if I click on similar exercise, it'll just give me another one. It should be another problem, but it seems like in this one it's giving me the same one. So then I choose 2 cubed, final check, and you're good to go. Then it turns into a green check. You've got that one correct too. Problem 3, it says are the expressions -4 squared and the quantity -4 squared equal, explain. Let's say you don't know how to do this one. You can click on some of the tools here and go see what happens, access the media, maybe go back, look at the video again, read the textbook, connect to a tutor. You can read through that. Remember that there could be a charge for that after the first half hour, I believe. For this one, let's say simplify. You don't know how to do number 10. You can say view an example, and an example will be a similar problem but with different numbers, and it'll just walk you through the problem. So I'll click on continue, continue, and then close, and I just viewed an example. Now I can try this on my own. Or you can click on help me solve this problem, and if you say help me solve this problem, it takes the specific problem and walks you through it. But if it says help me solve this problem and it has helped you solve the problem, it marks you wrong, then that means you have to try a similar exercise and do another one to get it right on your own. So make sure you use help me solve and view an example if you get it stuck on some of them. I'm going to leave this page. So that's how you access the homework. You go through all the problems. A green check mark means you're good, red X means it's not good, and you can keep doing the same problems over and over until you get it right. And also you can access all homeworks from this button as well. That lists all the homeworks up to date. But if you go to the week, it's just for that week what homework you have to do. And that's how you access the homework.